guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing this makeup look right here. It is a full face of first impressions. So I am testing out all new products, and I'm telling you guys, some of these products, like, I could really see them becoming my holy grail products because they are that good. I'm very, very impressed with a lot of these products, and I'm just so excited to show you guys how I created this look. So before we hop in, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and turn those notifications on. And if you want to, you can always follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. You can like my Facebook page because I know sometimes the notifications don't work. At least that's what you guys tell me sometimes. Sometimes you comment and you're like, I didn't get the notifications. So make sure you're following me on my other social media sites so that you can always be notified, because I'm always on there and like telling you guys when I'm uploading, when I'm filming, when I'm editing, and just pretty much my daily activities. So yeah, make sure to follow me, and let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm gonna start off by trying this Power Rangers and GlamGlow Rita Repulsa Gravity Mud Firming Treatment. This is similar to the original Gravity Mud Firming Treatment that I usually use. That's a silver one, you know, my little silver egghead mask that I always wear on Snapchat. And I really like the original one, but I wanted to try out this green one, and I feel a little bit like a reptile, I'm not gonna lie. Or the witch from Wizard of Oz. And then after about 20 to 30 minutes, you can go ahead and peel off the mask. I love the way that this mask makes my face feel. Like, it just makes it feel very firm and tight and ready for makeup. But before we move on to makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and try out this Derma Illuminating Rosehip and Cranberry Face Oil. I have tried other Derma oils and I really like them. My favorite is actually the what is it called? The Radiant Glow Sunkissed Alba one. Ooh, this one smells good though. But yeah, their oils are pretty good, and I'm like obsessed with oils. Like, I honestly can't live without oils now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and zhuzh that on the face. Then I'm gonna try out this Super Aqua Ultra Waterful Clear Cream by Misha. This is a K-beauty brand, but it just really intrigued me because it's literally clear. And you guys know I love my gel moisturizers. So I'll just go ahead and, ooh, wow. That's actually really nice because it's super duper lightweight. Like, it literally feels like I'm rubbing water on my face. I really prefer lightweight moisturizers like this, like anything that's water or gel based, just because the heavier moisturizers clog my pores and then cause me to break out. I didn't have a new eye cream to use or try out, so I'm just gonna be using my Ride or Die, which is the Belif Moisturizing Eye Balm. 10 out of 10, would recommend. This is the best eye cream. It's really, really hydrating, but it's still lightweight, so it doesn't cause those little bumps underneath. For my brows, I thought I would try out this Pretty Vulgar Define Brilliance Eyebrow Pencil. I've never tried anything from this brand, but I did see it at Sephora, so we will try it out. It has one of those like triangular shaped tips. I don't know how to feel about this pencil, honestly. I really like the undertone of it, but the formula is a little harder than what I'm used to. I'm used to a little bit of a creamier formula, so I feel like it's not really like gliding on. I really have to press hard to get the pigment onto my skin and my brows. For eyeshadow primer, I actually wanted to use this brand new Galactic Invisible Shadow Primer / Eraser. This really intrigued me because it's actually invisible. Never used an eye primer like that, so that's like really interesting for me. Don't mind my little bruise there. I actually gave myself a black eye. I opened the car door and I just like jammed it into my eye basically, and it swelled up like a little ping pong ball or something. It was all black and blue. Luckily the bruising and the swelling have gone down, but yeah, it was like pretty much the worst state of my life. I have to do some story time videos or something because I have some crazy stories, honestly, and you know, I kind of want to share them. That primer feels nice. It feels like tacky, but the only thing is it doesn't like cancel out discoloration, which my normal primer does, because I usually use MAC Cosmetic Soft Ochre Paint Pot, but we'll see. We'll see. Da, 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 da. We're gonna be trying out the Dream St palette from Kathleen Lights and Colourpop. I'm so excited to use this. So my friend Izzy snapped me a picture of her wearing this, and I just about died. It looked so beautiful on her, and this is what we're gonna be working with today. This blue is like speaking to me, so I think I'm gonna use that actually. But we're gonna start off with a transition shade, so I'm gonna be using the shade Stardust. I'm gonna take that on a brand new brush as well. This is actually the Bdellium Tools triangle collection, and this really intrigued me because the actual handle is shaped like a triangle so that you can hold it well. So just going ahead and buffing that into the crease. I'm not gonna lie, I do kind of miss having the completely blank discoloration gone lid from my MAC Soft Wicker Paint Pot. I don't know if I'm into the whole clear eye primer. Then we're gonna pick up this guy right here, which is called Water Bearer. I'm taking that on a slightly more tapered blending brush. This is the Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease from the Aristo collection. And pointing the brush downwards, we're just gonna pop that right into this outer corner and start to blend it in. Whew, these shadows are really nicely pigmented, honestly. Gotta cover up my little bruise over here. Thank God this bruise was in the, like, right in the crease, because I've just been using blending shades and it covers it up perfectly. Then I'm gonna take this matte brown from the palette. It's called Moony. And we're gonna start to press that into the outer V of the eye with a pencil brush. I did get a little bit of fallout there, but it's okay because we haven't done our foundation yet. I am really enjoying these handles, I'll be honest. I really like the way that these shadows are blending out, but I want to add on a little bit of black, and there is no black inside of this palette. So we're gonna use the Buxom black eyeshadow. It's called LBD. Look how cute. These are those ones that you can put into the palettes. I'm pretty much just gonna do the exact same thing and press this onto the eyelid with a pencil brush first, and then go ahead and blend it out with more of a fluffy blending brush. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the lid space up with my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take Mermaid Boy and add that right onto the base of the lid. This brush is bomb. It's the Laura Mercier Cream Eye Detail Brush. It's so teeny tiny, and like, it's just pressing on that shadow so well. Then I'm gonna go ahead and line this top lash line just a little bit with this LA Girl eyeliner. It's the Ultimate Eye Intense Stay Auto Liner in the shade Ultimate Black. I like to do this step even if I'm not really adding on a wing, because it helps to hide the lash band once we put on our false lashes. I'm gonna be trying out this It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. It says that it's supposed to give a lot of volume. 96% said lashes looked stretched. 96% of people saw dramatic volume and length. 96% of people saw plumper looking lashes, and 100% saw fuller lash lines. So there you go. Oh wow, that does actually give you a really full looking lash line. Oh wow, this wand is so good. It like honestly does grip onto the lashes and work some magic over here. Although it gave me a little clumpy dump over here. Then for my lashes, I want to try these from Violet Voss. These are the limited edition faux mink lashes. I cut them just a little bit so that they could fit my eye a little bit better. I feel like I always have to cut lashes just a little bit. I like the shape of these a lot because they taper out. They are a little bit shiny. I don't know. Can you see that? A little bit. Then I'm gonna go ahead and try out this Unicorn Essence from Farsali. I am absolutely obsessed with the Rose Gold elixir from Farsali, the Rose Gold oil. It's so good. Ooh, this smells really good too. But yeah, I'm like obsessed with that stuff, so I was really excited to try this out. Then for my primer, I want to try out this 24 karat face base from Pop Beauty. 24 karat magic in the... Oh, it's a spray. Okay, different than I expected. Oh, no! The eyeshadow. I'm just gonna spray it in my hands and then rub it on because ain't nobody got time to spray that on the eyeshadow right now. Time for foundation. Look how beautiful this PR package is. So NARS sent this over. This is their new Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. I was basically screaming when I opened this because I was so excited. I opened it in a PR haul vlog over on my second channel, my vlogging channel. So I'll link that down below for you guys if you want to check it out, because I was so excited to see this because everybody has been talking about this. Everybody's been raving about it. Maddie actually told me about this like a while ago. I think she went to like a NARS event and she tried this foundation and she said it might just be her holy grail foundation. So ever since she said that, I've really been wanting to try it, and they actually sent like little samples of all of the shades in the collection, but also 3 full-size bottles. I usually wear NARS Barcelona, or at least like Barcelona and other NARS foundations, like the Velvet Matte Foundation Stick and also the Sheer Glow. But I'm a little pale right now, so I think I might actually go for this lighter shade that they sent over. This is Valaris, and we'll see how it goes. Ooh, that is blending out beautifully. Like as soon as I started patting it into the skin, it just kind of like on, like my sound effects. And I'm blending this in with an Eco Tools sponge that I'm trying out today. Pretty good. I like that. I like the shape. It's nice. That foundation looks so good on the skin, you guys. I'm not even trying to play around here. It blends out so easily and it has like a very natural finish. You still have some glow in there, but it's almost like velvety. It's so beautiful. I love it. Okay, concealer. I'm gonna try out this amazing Cosmetics amazing concealer, Illuminate, in the shade Tan Golden. I didn't have many new concealers to try out right now, which is like interesting because I feel like usually I have a lot of concealers. It is so late, you guys. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, but I'm out here. I'm going to San Jose tomorrow morning, so I'm trying to film before I leave so I can still get a video up for you guys. But you know, it's hard today. I'm not gonna lie. It's been a stretch. I'm such an early bird too, usually. I like literally go to bed at like 9 p.m., 10 p.m., something like that. This is a little dark. Not the best shade match for me, but we'll try it out. This would actually be really good for down here, like where I have that breakout, which actually the Derma Scar Gel, I'm telling you guys, I should have shown you before I put on my foundation, but it has pretty much made that scar go away so fast. This foundation is everything to me. Like, as long as the wear time is good, that's one thing that I do need to test out, which I will not be testing out today, obviously, because it's 1 a.m. and my flight to San Jose is at 10. So, and I still have to pack. That's the worst part, is I haven't even packed yet. So right after this video, I'm gonna go pack. So I will not be testing out the wear time of the foundation today, but as long as the wear time is good on this foundation, I think we just hit a gold mine. So I will talk about it more on Snapchat because I'm gonna bring this foundation with me to San Jose so I can wear it over the next couple of days. And while I'm there, I'll be wearing it like all day long. So I will definitely let you guys know on Snapchat how I like this foundation, how it wears throughout the day, and everything like that. This blender is actually really doing something for me because it has this shape where you can really press it into the skin and then clean it up over here on the edges. Now for my under eye, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana. I forgot to use my liquid highlighter. I really wanted to try this out. So this is the Zoeva Strobe Gel in Parelia. I really think that I did not pronounce that correctly, but it looks so cool. It's like a jelly. Whoa. Ooh, I like the shade. Gonna blend that out real quick. I feel like once you blend it out, it's not that pigmented. Let me go in with like a second layer here. Maybe we should just apply with our hands and then blend it out that way. Oh, I feel like it didn't really do much. Now back to our Makeup Revolution Banana Powder. Just going in and baking. Look how cool this brush is. It has my name on it. Makeup Forever sent this over for my birthday, so thank you so much to the Makeup Forever team because that was so sweet. And I actually love using fan brushes to contour because it just gives like a really, really natural finish. Then for bronzer, I want to try out this really pretty one from MAC Cosmetics and Jade Jagger. This is called the Satin Shimmer Mineralized Skin Finish. It does have a bit of shimmer in it, but I still thought it would be pretty as a bronzer. And I'm trying out a new brush. This is a huge one from Morphe. It's the E41. I think I'll add on a little bit of a deeper bronzer just because I want it to be a little bit more bronze. I do like the finish of that. Like, it just has a little bit of shimmer in it. But I'll try out this Galactic bronzer. This is the matte bronzer in the shade Cabo. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. For my highlighter, I'm going to be trying out this palette from L'Oreal. It's the True Match Lumi Glow Nude. And I think I'm going to try out this guy right here. For that bottom lash line, I'm going to go back into the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop palette and just take those transition shades that we used and blend those into the bottom lash line. You always want to connect it over here. I also want to blend in some of that blue. And of course, we got to go back in with our black liner and line that lower lash line because this is a dark and smoky lake. On this side, I didn't blend in all the way, and I kind of like that better actually because I feel like it ties into the blending shade better. So I'm gonna go back into that shade right here and just pop some of that onto the inner corner. Damn, that mascara is nice for those bottom lashes. For my blush, I'm gonna dig into this Zoeva Arisa blush palette. And I think I'm gonna take the shade, ooh, actually both of them are really pretty. I'm gonna take this shade up here though, Demeter, and use that. Oh my God, these, I can tell these are gonna be pigmented because look at the powder on the brush itself. Ooh. Okay, we're just gonna take that and lightly dab it onto the apples of the cheeks. Then finally for lips, I'm going to take this Victoria Beckham lip pencil in the shade 01 Victoria and just go ahead and line the upper and bottom lips. I find it easiest to use the side of the pencil like that and just use it to like create an ombre here. That's the easiest way to line my lips. This color though, I like that a lot. And the formula is actually really creamy, but I like that it's actually a pencil, not like a mechanical pencil, because I just feel like it's easier to line my lips that way, honestly. And for the lip color, I'm gonna be using this brand new shade from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is actually only available at Ulta Beauty. It's the shade called Starfish. Just looks like a really pretty brown tone nude, and you guys know I love my brown tone nudes. That's like my favorite kind of lip color. Then I'm just gonna top that off with the Colourpop and Kathleen Lights lip gloss in the shade Moonchild. Just right in the center here. Pretty much the only product that didn't work out for me was the concealer, but that's mostly because of the shade. It was just like 1 or 2 shades too dark. But other than that, I'm pretty darn impressed with all of the products. Oh, the only other thing is the lashes. I don't know if I would wear these lashes again just because they're kind of uncomfortable, honestly, and they're a little bit like plasticky to me. My usual lashes, which are the House of Lashes Iconic Lights, those are a little bit more wispy, so I prefer that. But overall, I'm very happy with how the makeup look turned out. Standout products for me were definitely the Dream St palette from Kathleen Lights and Colourpop, as well as this foundation. Oh my God, I'm telling you guys, if this has a good wear time, like if it wears well throughout the day, this may just be my new holy grail foundation. If you guys like this video and if you guys want me to do more full faces of first impressions, give this video a thumbs up or comment down below if you have any other requests and everything like that, and I will try to list all of the products. There was a lot of products, but I will try to list all of the products down in the description box in case you want to check anything out. And I think that's gonna be it for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!